Healthy vegetable stir-fry recipe. Hello, health-conscious students. Today, we will learn how to cook a nutritious and healthy vegetable stir-fry. This dish is full of vibrant vegetables and is very easy to make. Let's start cooking. Ingredients: 1 cup of broccoli florets, 1 carrot, sliced, 1 bell pepper, sliced, ½ cup of snap peas, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon of ginger, minced. Cooked rice for serving. Instructions: 1. Heat the olive oil in a pan over medium heat. 2. Add the minced garlic and ginger to the pan and sauté for about 1 minute. 3. Add the broccoli, carrot, bell pepper, and snap peas to the pan. 4. Stir-fry the vegetables for about 5 minutes or until they are tender crisp. 5. Pour the soy sauce over the vegetables and toss to coat. 6. Serve the vegetable stir-fry over cooked rice. 7. Enjoy your nutritious and delicious vegetable stir-fry.